Yawa. Gago. Apa yan?
Sir?
Boat?
Huh?
Boat yan? Here?
Okay? Yeah.
Okay? Boat. Something boat? Something?
Boat.
Yeah. Shoot me man, pan me Boat. I'm going to Tagum.
We're going to Tagum.
Yeah.
Ride boat.
Yeah, boat me man na. Tulit nila. May boat me man na. Boat me man boat me boat yan pin bay na. Train ba pen ben? What? Boat yan. I'm sorry, I'm from Thailand. I'm here to documentary. I'm here. Came from New Stoya.
New Asturias.
Yeah. Boat me man la boat. There's appointment le. There's
Where's your motor?
yeah. Here I rent motor.
Yeah.
Tagum. And going here to when my mom land boat.
You're the only one.
Yeah. My wife here in Tagum. Mo Gmo. Boat me man Turut me man like yeah. Boat man boat something. No other boat here.
No, there's a boat under here. Yeah, there's a running board on the boat.
Boat me ni palpila na. Tatanbin tay puplen. I see that no other people here. Then I came and I see that man here and going here.
Okay.
Puplen, rekan tainan, rekan tainan.
Yeah, there's a boat there. Then you can put your motorcycle on the boat.
Apo pinana, puplen. Rekan tay, tanan ay mementay. Prem, moment le.
Friend.
Wapin ba ne train? Pupin benda, anda ay mementay na.
I didn't understand.
Shipment pa na pula rekan no yung pinbay ne. I'm sorry I'm just a small English only.
Okay.
Okay? Open na. And I open me people here. Open there. Here's a boat here. In the downside or something. Open le. Open na yan. Okay, mamupla. Going boat.
You want to go Tagum?
Yeah. Your owner here, boat.
No, I'm not the owner. Our grandfather is the owner.
Your grandfather.
Yeah.
And then me open na. She a girl here.
Yeah, there's a
I said here your girl. And then he going wipe and buy that. You are owner here.
I will
This
guide
house.
you if you want to go to the boat.
There. So very long.
Yeah. After the boat, then
Yeah.
follow the road. Then
Yeah.
we're in Tagum.
How many?
There's many people there. Then you can also ask where
Okay.
to Tagum do you want.
And then if I'm ride a boat, open map. Then no danger here.
Yeah, no danger.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Lemuel.
Crockman from Thailand.
Rockman.
Yeah. I'm vlogging and documentary. Yeah, something.
Okay.
Documentary here.
Yeah, I'm
New
also a
Astaya.
content creator also.
Yeah, Yoko.
Yeah, my YouTube is Mr. Lem. And I
Lem.
have almost 100k subscribers.
Okay, thank you. You're so
I'm
very.
a nurse.
Okay.
What is
Thank
your
you.
YouTube?
Crockman TV.
Cropman TV.
Yeah. And then, excuse. And then, kung musakay ko ng bangka diha aw ko. Yawa. Gago. Yawa.
So weird.